RDR2 में एक्चुअली में ये सीन भी है, कभी किसी ने ध्यान ही नहीं दिया। तो होता कुछ ऐसा है कि यहाँ नाइट में ये दोनों मस्त टल्ली होते हैं, जहाँ ये आदमी इससे आई लव यू कहता है, बट ये औरत कहती है कि तुमसे अच्छा तो मैं किसी सांप से प्यार कर लूं। एंड जैसे ही वो उसे किस करने की कोशिश करता है, ये उसे थप्पड़ मार कर वहां से चली जाती है। बट ये बंदा इतनी आसानी से हार नहीं मानता, वो फिर से ट्राई करता है और उसे मनाने की कोशिश करता है। एंड गेस व्हाट, ये मान जाती है। एंड फिर दोनों कैंप के अंदर जाते हैं और फिर आगे क्या होता है ये आप खुद ही सुन सकते हो। मैं तो जा रहा हूँ।
Come on, man. I hate you, know that. I hate you.
It's all right, Sean Kent, isn't it? Hasn't seen any action like this since 9 months before young Jackie popped out. Hey, move over, will you?
What are you doing?
I'm trying to get these off. Sorry. Oh, there they are. Look at them, magnificent, like the peaks of the Derivay.
Shut up, idiot.
Yeah, come here, you. Oh,
Hey, what are you doing?
it was an old trick me dad taught me.
No, don't ever do that again.
Oh, okay, well, here we go, Miss Jones. Meet Maguire Jr.
Is that it?
You wait. He's a fighter. Oh, okay. No, that's not. There, no. Oh, glide me in here a bit, will you? Oh, yes. Oh, you're a lovely woman. Oh, yes. Oh, yes, that's it. Oh,
Pulling that face.
yes. Oh, Miss Jones.
Will you shut up?
Are you close?
Nowhere near.
There she blows. Yeah. Phew. It's like all me worries have floated away. Hey, where are you going?
We're done, ain't we?
Well, we certainly are, darling. What are you doing there, you old creep?
Look after your boy tonight.
He's not my boy.